Okay, we have a brand new feature on the Sign Survey app. I think you're going to like it. As you can see, you've got the home screen here that would list all the surveys that you've carried out on your phone or tablet. If you click a survey, in addition to just being able to view the report, edit, email or print, you can now send to installation team. So if we press that button, you'll be presented with a list of potential installers for that job. So you can build up in your settings, you can add as many installers as you want. Now they might be employed, they might be subcontractors, they might be freelance workers. What you do is you put in their full details, including their postcode, what they charge an hour, what their services are. And what it will do is look at the postcode of the job that you've just surveyed and then list them in order of who's the closest, basically. So you can see that we've got two here that are 8 miles away. We've got one that's 147 miles away. It might be that we want to check out what they can do or their profile in a little bit more detail. So you simply click on it and their profile will come up. So you can see all of their contact information, you can see where they're based, you can see what their postcode is, you can see their skills, and if you scroll down, if you've added them, you can see examples of work that they've previously installed. So I think it's a great little feature. It means that you can still be at the job site, you may have just finished surveying the job, you want to get a few quotes or a few estimates, so you can select more than one person to send it to, click on send, and that survey will be sent straight out for an estimate to come back to you. So potentially by the time you even get back to the office, you could have 3 estimates for how long it's going to take to install that job. Hope you like it. If you've got any questions, just give me a shout. My email is james@bigprinting.co.uk. Thank you.